Hi guys, what's up? I'm Jake Paul and you're the Team Chem house where it's lit every day, bro. So dab on them haters and subscribe and like and share to all your friends. Now before we start the video, I have new merch coming out. So if you use the discount code in the description, you'll get 10% off. It used to be 70, but now it's 90. So buy right now, guys. So anyway, here's today's video.
So today we are doing 5 copper reactions in order to get as much solid copper as possible. First, we're going to mass our plastic tray and 0.5 grams of copper turnings. Put all that in a 250 milliliter beaker and add 5 milliliters of concentrated nitric acid under the fume hood. We observed brown gas and the solution turned green-blue. After the reaction, add 100 milliliters of water. The water made it light blue and released gas. After the reaction, add 35 milliliters of 3 molar NaOH and stir. Our solution turned into a darker blue and became gelatinous. Heat the solution over the Bunsen burner just to the boiling point. Our solution had a black precipitate. If the liquid on top is still blue, add small amounts of 3 molar NaOH until the solution there is colorless. Decant the top liquid and add 200 milliliters of hot distilled water. Stir, allow to settle, and decant the top liquid again. Decanting gets rid of the sodium nitrate from the solution.
Oh, I'm scared.
So hey guys, when I was editing this video, I realized that I forgot something. So shout out to our boy Benny Boy Wong for pouring in the hot distilled water into our solution. You the real champ. Not all heroes wear capes, they wear lab goggles.
Aww. Add 15 milliliters of 6 molar sulfuric acid. We saw the color change from black to cyan. Under the fume hood, add 2 grams of 30 mesh zinc metal slowly to reduce the copper ions to metallic copper. Stir if the solution is still blue and add small amounts of zinc until no gas is observed. We observed a copper PPT and gas. The next day, our solution was still blue, so we added more zinc. Then we saw no more gas and decided to decant. Add 20 milliliters of 6 molar HCl and allow it to react under the fume hood to get rid of the zinc. We saw no changes in our solution. Weigh a porcelain evaporating dish in the hood and add 50 milliliters of distilled water to the copper. Remove from the hood and stir. Decant top liquid and transfer the solid into the evaporating dish. You may have to wash with distilled water to transfer all the solid. Add 10 milliliters distilled water to the solid, stir and decant. Repeat this washing 2 more times. Wash the solid with 5 milliliters of acetone. Decant the top liquid and discard an organic waste container. Evaporate the acetone by using a hot plate. Stir the solid while it is drying. Then cool the evaporating dish and weigh it. Our percent yield was 38.44%. We think our percent yield was high because we accidentally decanted too much solid copper. Once again, the objective of our experiment was to observe 5 copper reactions. One of the objectives that we did not complete was that when we put our solution in the 6 molar HCl, we did not see any reaction. We would suggest that the students weigh the 0.5 grams of copper before the 2-day lab because we did not have enough time. Another suggestion is to add onto the procedure paper. We did not know that we needed to continually heat and mask the copper to make sure all the acetone was evaporated.
Hey guys, so thanks for watching my video, and actually we're almost up to 5 subscribers, so make sure to subscribe so we can get up to those 5 subscribers. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you want to see next. I'm gonna go eat my avocado toast. Hi, what's up, you guys? I messed up almost immediately. so hard to show.
Owie! 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 Ow! Louder. Just like me, it's like in the end, it's just me having all my mental breakdowns. Tollett, we're done! Tollett, I can't stop stirring. I'm done. I don't want to do this no more. Tollett. Tollett.
Careful, Julie.
Oh, I'm scared. Okay. Just...